What's up, YouTube? So I'm sure my room looks a little strange right now, but we're actually kind of doing like a remodeling. As you can see here, my microgreens are going great on our Back to Roots beta tank, and this might look a bit strange, and you're probably wondering where the angelfish went, and the simple answer to that is they died and went down the toilet. But they got a rare disease called Columnaris or something like that. It'll be right here. But yeah. So they're goners, lost some mollies, and my blue gourami is pretty infected, but everybody else is doing pretty good. This is my quarantine. So yeah, pretty depressing. That actually happened like 3 days ago, but until now, if I would have tried to talk about it, I probably would have ended up crying. So it's been kind of an emotional thing for me, but so what's going to end up happening is we're going to take the 45, which we found out today is a 45, not a 40. We're going to put it right here where my TV was. And then we're going to end up putting this 10-gallon down in here eventually. It probably won't happen at the same time. But we're just going to raise these up and put my Xbox on these two here. And that'll give us a little more freedom to start doing some more stuff. I'll probably end up doing something like, I want to do gold mountain minnows in here. And then I want to do, I'll probably end up doing guppies in here or something. I figured, I had an idea, or actually somebody gave me this on Discord to do dwarf gouramis in there, and I have a really beautiful dwarf gourami, so maybe, but we'll see what ends up happening with that. I thought maybe to do a one on rams, like do rams in a 10-gallon, but my fish store said that was a little risky, but if I stayed on top of it, I could pull it off. So yeah, a lot of stuff's changing, and I kind of like that, but like I said, really depressing because I lost $60 worth of angelfish, and kind of have to restart that whole operation, but that does give me the freedom to do as I please with that tank. If I decide I don't want to do angels and I want to do something else, I'm, much more able to do that now. But yeah, so these guys aren't liking this very much. I've been treating with methylene blue. Yeah, everything else is going pretty well, but they ended up getting the disease from one of the mollies that I got from my local fish store, and that's kind of upsetting, and I don't know if I can hold them accountable, but if I can, I definitely will attempt to. But as you can, it's highly contagious disease. It kills the animal it's infected within 24 hours of it getting it. And that's what was going on. I actually put the fish in there, and the water got really cloudy, and I, like good Aquarius does, separated the fish from the water in a different bucket. Put the fish in there and not the water, so that it was not bringing that potential diseases in there. But so everything that I've used has to be deeply dosed with methylene blue and that special medication I got mixed up, and then I got my plants here, but sadly everything that's left in here, my nice carpet, will likely be wiped out from the blue. And so that kind of sucks, but I mean, I can always get it back. I have the seeds to start it again, but what I've done here is just done some really hot water, and then I top it off with a pitcher of like steaming water. And I've dosed heavy with aquarium salt to get the bacteria, because it's a bacterial infection, to get the bacteria off the plants. So I'll be able to save those, but I'm going to attempt to leave the floor plant in there and see if it will survive and be able to come back. But more than likely, it's not going to be able to. But we'll see what ends up happening, guys. So I'll keep you updated. This won't be tied into this video, but it'll be in a video here soon on what the tank looks like reset up, and maybe more details on the whole situation, losing the fish. But if you guys have been liking the videos, please give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to me. Subscribe for more videos like these, and I hope to see you in future videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.